Hello students, welcome back and in a new class. Today we will learn equation of a straight line. Okay, let's go. This is we know there is x dash, so y dash, and let AB, it is a straight line which intersect x axis at point A and intersect y axis at point B. Okay, so this OA is called x intercept. Okay, x intercept, and OB is called y intercept. Usually we denote y intercept as C. Okay, now we are find out or we are derive some equation of straight line. Okay, now AB is a line, AB is a straight line which make an angle theta with x axis. Okay, let any point P on AB line, this is a point P. Okay, and this coordinate is xy. Okay, and we draw a perpendicular on x axis, that is this is not a perpendicular. Okay, let's go use it. Let's draw a perpendicular on x axis, this is M. Okay, and from point B draw another perpendicular on xm, that is N. Okay, now that means here this is O. Okay, now see and notice carefully, here we may write OM equal to x. Okay, and that means BN also x, because OM and BM are equal, and again OB equal to MN. Okay, and PM equal to Y, this is PM. Okay, total PM is equal to Y. Okay, and MN, OB is equal to, we have already learned, that means it is a y intercept and it is denoted by C. So OB equal to C. So MN is equal to C also. Now this angle is theta, so you may say this is also theta. Now the slope tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, when we write a slope of a straight line, that is denoted by the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to here Pn by Bn. Okay, now we write tan theta denoted by M. Okay, so there M equal to Pn. Pn means Tm minus Mn. Okay, this Pm minus Mn is equal to Pn by Bn. Bn means Om or X. Now M is equal to Pm means Y, Mn means C, that is X. So Mx is equal to Y minus C, and you may write Y is equal to Mx plus C. This is a equation of a straight line in Y is equal to Mx plus C where M is given. Okay. Now, if any point, any another point on that straight line, that is W, and the coordinate of W is x1 y1, that means this x1 y1 also satisfies this equation, because this W, this point is on that line. Okay, so we may write y1 equal to M x1 plus C. Now, and this is the line y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, this is our equation. Now if we subtract equation 1 from 2, from 1 minus 2, then we get y minus y1. Actually, why we subtracting here? Because c is unknown, so we have to remove this c. Okay, for that reason we are subtracting from 1 to 2. M x minus x1. So when one point is given, that means that time we use this equation. This is the equation of one point and slope equation. Okay, this is a one point is given, and so and also slope is also given. So in this case we use this equation. Okay, now if we got another point, that is, you may write x w y z. Okay, and the coordinate of z is x2 y2. Now this time this point also satisfies this equation, and here m is unknown category, so we have to remove m by x1 y1. That means this time 2 point also given here, that is z or w will be given. That means 2 point is given, and we have to find out the equation of that straight line when 2 point will be given. So now we have to derive this equation. We just put x2 y2 in this equation, that we will get now y2 minus y1 equal to m x x2 minus x1. Therefore m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now look at, now we can express m in the form of y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Now we can remove m, or we can substitute m by y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Now we can write this y2 minus y1 and x2 minus y1 here. That means the equation will be y2 minus y1, this y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now this is the another straight line equation when 2 point will be given. So we have got 3 equation. Okay, first y is equal to mx plus c, where m and the slope will be given, c will be given. When 1 point and slope equation, that means y is equal to mx plus c, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. When m is not given, only 2 points are given, that time the equation will be y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we have already got three equation of a straight line. Okay, now using this formula we can solve this math very easily. But one thing I have forgotten to tell you, that is the equation of a straight line which is parallel to x-axis and which is parallel to y-axis. That means one is horizontal line and one is vertical line. Then what will be the equation of that straight line? Okay, what we'll do now, see here. Okay, if this is a line, it's a horizontal. That means here let y is equal to b, or we may write y is equal to c. Okay, but that means y is equal to c. So this is the equation when the line is parallel to x-axis. Okay, and in case of a line which is vertically and parallel to y-axis, that time x is given, that is, let x is equal to b. That means x is equal to b is the equation of a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, now just notice it, and to remind this video and again and again see this formula and put it in your mind strongly, and next time and we'll just going to start with the math and problem. Okay, and we wrap it. Okay, let's go friends, we have come back with the math. That's find out the slope of a line whose inclination is 45 degree. Inclination means the theta is a 45 degree. We have to find out the slope. Slope means m. M is equal to tan theta. That means here theta is equal to 45. That means tan 45 degree is equal to 1. That is the slope of a line. Okay. If a slope is given, that means let me find out. If a slope or gradient is equal to root 3. So find out the inclination. Therefore, tan theta is equal to root 3. Now tell me value of theta for this. The tan theta will be root 3. Answer me on the comment box. Okay, I know you can do it. We have already done this formula, how to find out the value of theta. Okay, it is so very easy. Just put the value of tan theta and that will we can find out the value of theta. Okay, we know that the value of theta when that tan theta will be root 3. Okay, that is so very easy. Okay, must comments me on the comment box. Okay, now next problem, coming back with the next problem. Wait, now friends, here slope is given, y intercept is given. That means that is m and that is c. Okay, so what is the formula we know? That is y is equal to mx plus c. We just put the value of m and c here. Okay, that means 3x plus minus 5 means y is equal to 3x minus 5. Just this, it is the equation. Okay, it is so very easy. Let's go with the next problem. Wait, now here is the equation. We have to find out the slope and y-intercept. That means y is equal to mx c. So we have to write down this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. That means we can write this way: 5 is equal to minus 3x minus 7 and y is equal to minus 3 by 5 x plus minus 7 by 5. Now just compare with this equation. That means m is equal to minus 3 by 5 and c is equal to minus 7 by 5. Okay, so m is equal to minus 3 by 5 and y is equal to minus 7 by 5. Okay, so wait for our next math. Now find the value of p given that the line y by 2 equal to x minus p passes through the point minus 4 and 4. That means this point is on this line. That means this point satisfies this equation. Just here we put this value of xy in this equation. Now what we will get? Y by 2 equal to x minus p. Here x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to plus 4. So putting the value of y and x, that minus 4 minus p, there is a 2 minus 4 minus p. If we p convert in this position left side, that means p is plus, minus 4 and 2 will be minus, that is called minus 6. So that is the answer. Okay, it's so very easy. Okay, wait for a next problem. Now friends, here find the gradient of a line passing through the following pairs of points. Okay, that means we have to find out m, and we have a formula, that is y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Okay, and m is called gradient. So here there is a 2 point is given. That means x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to minus 2, another x2 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 4. Now we just put this value on this equation and find out the gradient. Now m is equal to y2 means 4 minus 2 and 3 minus 0. Here 4 plus 2 minus plus and 3, that is 6 by 3 equal to 2. Very easy. So that's for our next problem. Now friends, another problem here, that is find the value of a for which the following points, that means a3, b21 and c are collinear. Hence find out the equation of the line. Now that means there is a 3 point are collinear. Okay, a, b, c. Now we can find out the gradient of for a and b. Okay, and also find out the gradient through b and c. As it is called that this point are collinear, that means both the gradient will be equal. That means m1 equal to m2. Okay, now let's go. For points a and b, m1 equal to, that means y2 minus y1. That means y2 means this is 1 minus y1 3 and x2 minus x1, that means 2 minus a. And for points b and c, m2 equal to y2 minus y1, that means a minus 1 by x2 minus x1, that means 5 minus 2. As they are collinear, that is m1 equal to m2. Okay, now minus 2 minus a equal to a minus 1 by 5 minus 2. Okay, now doing the cross multiplication here, that means minus 2 into 3 2a minus a square minus 2 plus a. Getting all this parameter in the left side, that means a square minus 3a minus 6 plus 2 equal to 0. That means a square minus 3a plus minus 4 equal to 0. Now we may write this in this way: a square minus 4a plus a minus 4 equal to 0. We can get a common a here, a minus 4, plus we get 1 common here, a minus 4 equal to 0. This is called middle term factor. That means a minus 4 and a plus 1 is equal to 0. When the product of an item is 0, that means either this item is 0, either this item is 0. That means we may write either a minus 4 equal to 0, that means a equal to 4, or a plus 1 equal to 0, that means a is equal to minus 1. Now we get 2 points. That means hence find the equation of the line. So we get the 2 equation because we get 2 values of a. So first time we use a equal to 4 and find out the one equation, and next time we use a is equal to minus 1 and derive another equation. Okay, let's go. First we just erase it. You can take a screenshot. Okay, now we have to just remember, that means a is equal to 4 and a is equal to minus 1. Now we just erase it. So by using 2 point, we have a formula to derive the equation of a straight line. That means y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here this is the first point, that a is equal to 4. That means x1 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 2, and y2 is equal to 1. Just put in the value of this. So y minus y1 is equal to 3, y2 minus y1, y2 means 1 minus y1, 3, x2 means 2 minus 4 into x minus 4. Okay, y minus 3 equal to minus 2 minus 2 x minus 4. Okay, that means x minus 3 is equal to x minus 4. We got x minus y minus x minus 3 minus plus 4 is equal to 0, means y minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the one answer. Now we just erasing it and find out the next equation. Okay, now here is a is equal to minus 1. Okay, that means x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 2, and y2 is equal to 1. Okay, so using this formula, y minus y1 means 3 equal to y2 minus y1 means 1 minus y1 minus 3, and x2 minus x1, that means 2 minus 1, that means plus 1 into x minus x1 means minus 1. Okay, what we will get from here? Y minus 3 equal to minus 2, and it is 3, and here y plus 1. Now getting cross multiplication, what we will get? 3y minus 9 equal to minus 2x minus 2. It means 3y plus 2x equal to minus 2 plus 9. That means 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Okay. So now we have got this two equation. So friends, this is not so very tough chapter. It is so very easy chapter. We can try yourself, and if you find out any problem, just comments me on the comment box. I must try to help you. Okay, I also give my WhatsApp group link. You can also send your problem in this group. Okay, and I must try to solve your problem. Okay, and who's the first time come into my channel must subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, then please like and share with your friends. Thank you.